Hey! Welcome to Hello Kids channel. Comparative adjectives. 1. Long, longer. 2. Tall, taller. 3. Nice, nicer. 4. Hot, hotter. 5. Lazy, lazier. 6. High, higher. 7. Warm, warmer. 8. Old, older. 9. Fine, finer. 10. Fat, fatter. 11. Sharp, sharper. 12. Kind, kinder. 13. Slow, slower. 14. Strong, stronger. 15. Pretty, prettier. 16. Wise, wiser. Answer the following questions. Andrew is much than Derek. Tall. Andrew is much taller than Derek. Higher is than the candle. Hot. The fire is hotter than the candle. The strawberry jam is than the lemon one. Nice. The strawberry jam is nicer than the lemon one. I am than my brother James. Old. I am older than my brother James. This knife is than yours. Sharp. This knife is sharper than yours. This is a car than the old one I had. Fast. This is a faster car than the old one I had. My house is than yours. Big. My house is bigger than yours. The weather is much today. Fine. The weather is much finer today. Today is than yesterday. Cold. Today is colder than yesterday. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and hit the like button.